All right, here we go. We've got a drawing of the brain here. You can see both the hemispheres. Then coming out the bottom, you can see the spinal cord. And beside the spinal cord, you can see the cerebellum, or the rear bottom part of the brain. We're going to take a look here at the concepts of the brain, and we're going to show you the somatic portion of the brain. That's your conscience, that's your choices, you're collecting information, you're making decisions, and you're acting on those decisions. So let's take a look at some specifics of the somatic brain. First of all, we have our 5 senses that bring information in from the environment. The next thing that we're going to look at is the perception. We take what we see from our senses and it turns into a mental image or a mental video. Next, we have attention. How long do we pay attention to different things in our environment? Once we pay attention to certain things, we begin to organize or process that information. After processing or organizing this information, it begins to build memory. We begin to assemble things, and as we do, we prioritize them, and it becomes a part of our memory. Believe it or not, we also have our emotions centered in this part of our brain. We actually make hormones that represent each different emotion. With all the process of this information, we begin to solve problems, make choices. Those choices then lead to our actions, things that we choose. Research has shown that when the fight or flight is dysregulated, it causes problems with the somatic brain.